Well, it's payday. March 20th is payday. 7:20 in the morning. And it's the morning of the ride where I have to deliver tubs to the Bay Area. Well, I don't know what to do. Take the camera in case there's action on the way. It's going to be a long haul right into the San Francisco genre. Plus, there's going to be a repair job. We've got a swirl-away Trevi, and the thing it's not carbureting properly according to the man. So that means we'll have to just run the thing, try to figure out what's wrong with it, and go from there. Take, who knows what it is. Take everything you got. Take extra jets, extra orifices, the whole shot. But like I said, it is 7:21, and it's time to clock in. Clock in on payday. Can you read that? At least the rain is breaking up a little bit. Maybe it won't be too bad on the run to Frisco. Maybe these clouds will break up a little bit, and I won't get the tubs all soaking wet. Because there's nothing worse than a wet cardboard box for your tub. But yes, indeed, it is a Wednesday payday run to the Bay Area. Nothing worse than a Bay Area run on a payday. You just ask Tony how he feels about it. He'll tell you Bay Area runs on payday are not very nice.
Traffic right now, we're getting across the top, a little heaviness around Winters, then it looks good as you continue for I-5. That's a nice pattern into the downtown. You still have traffic control in effect.
So, we have to drive to the Bay Area, and this is just an example of what happens when you do drive to the Bay Area.
And the KFBK news time now 7 minutes past 8 o'clock. With a look at news, here's Bob Nathan.
Like finding a needle in a haystack, KFBK's Don Andrews reports on the new attempt by Sacramento County detectives to catch the thrill killer, the person who shot 6 people dead on 2 consecutive Tuesday nights last month.
At least it has cleared up a bit.
In a driving rain, county detectives stopped every car that was on Auburn Boulevard last night near the site of the first thrill killing.
A little embarrassed.
Hey, by the way, speaking of the prison goal for in the meeting, we're going to be talking with our own Pete Demetrio, who
crossing the river into West Sacramento, we noticed Vermilion Pipe and Supply down there.
Ship when it struck a mine in the Persian Gulf. He'll be along with us in just about 19 or 20 minutes. And
YOLO Causeway. I see we're filling up just a little bit there.
See the store for details.
Slight amount of causeway water.
It's a good thing they have a lot of response to this ad, because every time they throw Charlie in, he wants to stay.
It's a good thing we're filling up with water, because let me tell you, it has been dry.
What a great deal. His finalists are Dean Andall and Patty Garamendi. The House of Fabrics won't have any more continuous sales. The Sacramento County DA has announced the settlement for the suit against the retailer. It includes a $42,000
a large
penalty.
supply.
A Sacramento teenager is under arrest for the weekend robbery of a check-cashing store in Florin Road.
Containing essential information for planning the future, changes in the tax code, meaning you need expert advice before you invest. What are your financial objectives? But you must make the call first. Miller Financial at 646 a total funk after the ball game. Sacramento ended up with 3 more field goals
of
made.
the drive are now here.
17 points or 17 free throw attempts short in a 3-point ball game.
I guess there's only going to be a few of them.
104 King.
There's the darker side of the coastal mountains. They said, Luke, stay away from the darker side, and if you start to go astray, let the force be your guide, oh my Yoda. He said, Luke, stay away from the darker side, and if you start to go astray, let the force be your guide, oh my Yoda.
Still cleaning up a couple of
Todd Forms and their official seals violates the Constitution. The court is
Sonoma County Fairgrounds,
to remove those symbols.
Africa, USA,
Time 8:57 now with business
are available to our right.
Deficit numbers are out this morning from the Commerce Department. And
City of Vallejo.
Slow with these. We had the January trade deficit, $7 billion. That was up 50%. They are there on a
Well, we're on the East Bay. It's after 9, rush is on. And there's
freedom of
fucking traffic. Excuse my language. There's traffic.
Their political
we got that charter bus up there, that little Dodge.
So the
weighted
meal
down
will be served.
and blocking
Meal
traffic.
will be served.
Plus
in
a big truck in the middle lane. He won't get out.
25 minutes.
So
And it
consequently,
smells delicious
we're
in here.
backed
It
up
smells
in this
absolutely
stuff.
great.
It's a
And I
horrible
don't
scenario.
know, Bo Snerdley is a vegetarian, but
Finally, we got
he
past the
protested
one
by
big
his own
truck
constituency yesterday. The welfare state.
And I
not,
just want to
happy
show
with
you
the
the
amount of
creeps
benefits they're
that
getting.
held
How
up
about
the fast
National
lane the whole
Football
time.
League?
12 miles. 12 miles
This
these guys
July,
got in the way of the
National
fast
Football
lane.
League
And wouldn't
says
move
that
out.
Arizona
Blocking
is
traffic.
unfit to host the Super Bowl.
So, you get into the Bay Area to enjoy the beautiful scenery, and you have to deal with a lot of people that are here with you enjoying the beautiful scenery. So why not just enjoy the beautiful scenery right here from the road? No sense in getting out of your car. Just spend your time on the freeways. Shift down into second gear. This is a freeway. This is why I don't like the San Francisco area. There's too many people. They have all the way into the Bay Bridge backed up with cars. All the way, and the Bay Bridge going across the Bay Bridge, backed up. I just don't find a need to enjoy this.
So I like a courageous caller. I like a caller with confidence.
Hey, what makes you think it's okay to eat beef as much as you want?
Because we have freedom in this country, sir, and if I want to eat meat, it's fine. And if I...
Because people are counting
This is
on you.
why I hate the Bay Area.
was a plumber, my pipes are looking bad.
It's 9:30
Could have gone to Orchard.
and the toll bridge
Got
is
me so
packed.
mad. My only hope is Orchard.
What's the guy supposed to do in order to get into San Francisco at a decent time? Start at 4 in the morning? Or what?
Got it all, got it now, got it good.
They don't have nothing good over here.
So right.
Weather, you're always covered by the Audi Advantage.
I hate it.
A protection plan that pays.
Cameron, thanks much for the call.
So,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will
we
take
make
a
it to the
brief
toll booth,
break.
finally.
Not a break here, but we're going to allow
at 9:36.
the diners who are going to be sharing the Great American
joke.
Meat Out with
It's
me
a total joke.
to enter and to...
9:43. Made it through that goddamn, excuse the language, toll booth, and we're on the bridge. The Bay Bridge. Maximum speed 50. There's the bay. Had to wade through a slew of cars, diesel stench, creeps, the whole shot. But finally we're making it over the bridge. See you later. Here's the famous Bath & Beyond warehouse. So we went to Bath & Beyond, and we've done the repair job too. And we're now in a park in Hayward. Take a little break after all that repair work. And just rest a little while before the long drive home. We're in some park in Hayward. I thought I'd give you a pan of it. Looks pretty nice. We're in the Hayward, up on the top of a hill in Hayward. And we're at a park. As you can see, we've got our stuff sprawled out all over. Of course, we picked up at a Niagara at Bath & Beyond, and we've done a repair job. Okay? Goodbye. I said goodbye.